Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a process video for you in my Traveler's Notebook. For this layout, I will be using the January Good Life bundle from Pixel Scrapper. And I am starting here. I picked my photo from the ones that I have, and now I will pick out some papers that I like for the background. There are lots of fun patterns in this bundle, and I'm trying to figure out how I can use the most on this layout. So I think I'm going to cut them in half and use 4 different halves, if that makes sense. So I'll have one in each corner. So this is a fun way to use more papers if you are having a hard time deciding on which ones to use. So I've stuck those down, and then I've added some washi tape down the center and also across the middle just to cover up the little cracks from where I stuck the papers down. And now I will be looking through for some papers to layer behind my photo, and then I will also, I think I've maybe chosen that word art to use there on the left side as the title. Now I'm just rifling through my scraps to find some layers to add behind my photo. And once I have a good little cluster that I like, I usually will staple it. Then I might go back later and add in some more adhesive, but I like to give it that initial staple so that it stays together in the way that I like. At this point, I think I am looking through the elements that I have printed out, and I am cutting out the ones that I am interested in using on this layout. I cut out that tag there, and I punched a little hole, and now I will put a string I think I've decided to commit to the placement, so I've stuck down that cluster. And now I will go ahead and add that tag behind. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.